how are y'all doing today? I am doing well. Sorry I'm not wearing makeup, and this isn't acne, it's just a dry spot. Your girl's got dry skin, I've got hypothyroid, so I got dry skin and hair. I'm Santana, and I have been a licensed cosmetologist for 8 going on 9 years. And today I wanted to try out a lightener that we have never tried on the channel before. So we're going to be using the Danger Jones Powder Lightener. It is a powder lightener with bonding complex in it, which is good for the hair. It claims to lift up to 9 levels. My hair is pretty dark. And before we get started, I just wanted to say that the point of this video is to just try out the lightener. Actually, after I do this, I'm going to be coloring my hair with this. I had some comments on my last video where we tried out lightener, and I don't think they got the point of that we were just trying out the lightener, so I just wanted to address that real quick, that the end of the video is not what my hair is going to look like, you know? So, yeah, I just wanted to address that real quick. So this is a vegan formula, gluten-free, no animal testing, powder lightener with bonding complex, lightens 9 levels, cool toned, infused with bonding complex and specialized seaweed for healthier hair appearance when used with Danger Jones Deluxe Cream Developer, which I have right here. Since we're doing an on the scalp application, I went ahead and got 20 volume because most lighteners, if you're doing on the scalp, they advise you not to go above 20. For optimal results, apply proper amount and distribute evenly. Avoid overlapping application to previously lightened hair. Thoroughly rinse and shampoo after development time. I do like the packaging. I like that it's in a nice tub with a lid. I feel like that's good. It's also nice and tall. So storage wise, I feel like this is easy to store. Let me go ahead and get this mixed up. I've got a mixing bowl right here, so let me go ahead and get this together. Scooper, we've just got like a square one. They are usually 1 ounce. Probably gonna do about 2 scoops of lightener, and then I'll do double developer since we're doing on the scalp to make sure that it doesn't dry out. So let me go ahead and get it mixed up. I missed a line when I was reading this. It says, in a non-metallic mixing bowl, mix a 1:1 to a 1:2 ratio from powder to developer with 5 to 20 volume on scalp, 5 to 30 in foil, or 5 to 40 for hand painting techniques. Process at room temperature for up to 50 minutes. Do not use heat to reduce processing time. So I went ahead and decided to do 3 scoops because I've got a lot of new growth. So I did 3 scoops with a 1:2 ratio to have it more on the runnier consistency so it won't dry out on my scalp. Normally when I mix lightener, I mix Olaplex into the formula, but since this one has a bonding concentrate in it, I decided to not do that. Alright guys, I got sectioned out. I've parted my front section out, and then I'm going to be applying on the back. Alright guys, so when I like to apply lightener, I like to take a section from the apex of my head to behind the ears, and I parted it out, and I'm like lining my section with my lightener here. So I do apex to behind the ear, and then I split the hair in the back and do middle. I definitely overlapped right there, but it's hard to see. And then I start from the bottom of the back and kind of work my way up. I take small sections, and then I just kind of apply. Yes, I know I'm overlapping in some spots, but it's not easy doing the back of your head, and especially in here. Like normally when I color my hair at home, it's in the bathroom where I can see in the mirror, and I can't fit all my filming equipment in there, so but so I just kind of work my way up. I take small sections, and I try to get like a nice saturation per every section. I think this is one of the first times I've been able to actually show you guys the back of my hair. I was really conscious about it when I was filming. I was like, I'm gonna try to turn around so they can see me applying the lightener. And I just kind of work my way up to the top. And once I got to the top of my head and I was done with the back, I just resaturated, and I decided to do a foil this time because I wanted to keep my sections like really clean. And when I laid the top hair back, I didn't want to overlap the front and cause extra breakage, so I was trying to keep this as clean as I possibly could. And then I just do the same in the front. I'll like line my section out and then I'll part it. I'll take a parting and use that as my guide. I started on my side because I'm a side parter. So I wanted to start here so that my part would get the lightest. And then I just keep working my way over. I'll go on the root, and as you can see, I go kind of up to the purple because when you put lightener on, it will expand as it processes, so it will start to expand at the outer bit. And I let my new growth get a little bit long this time. I don't usually let it get this long, but I've just been like super busy. The lightener consistency, by the way, mixing at 1:2 ratio, it was so good to work with. It was so creamy, and it was like, it was easy to get it saturated, and it was easy to work with. And it also didn't really like burn my scalp either. Some lighteners, like it's the second it touches my scalp, like it'll start tingling, but this was very cooling on the scalp when I would like apply it there, and even as it was processing, I feel like it didn't I didn't have any kind of like tingling or burning, so it was nice. It's nice that it already has a bonding concentrate in it, so that if you don't have access to Olaplex, or if your salon doesn't carry it, or you just don't have any on hand, you don't have to worry about that. You can keep the integrity of the hair, or like have like some extra reassurance that you will have a gentle lift. Yeah, when I take my glasses off, that's when it starts getting really bad, because y'all, your girl cannot see. I cannot see at all. And I normally film with my makeup on and my contacts in because of the fact that I can't see without my glasses, but I don't remember. I just didn't have time to do that this day, so I was like, it's okay. You can see me squinting for my life. And the purple shade that I've used on here, it is very blue based, so when it does overlap, you'll see some like teal tones coming through. Which is okay, because right after lightening the roots, we're just doing another dark purple. I'm gonna be using Arctic Fox Purple AF. So stay tuned on the channel, look out for that, and you'll see me color my hair yet again purple. I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of over the purple right now. I'm like, I don't know what color I want to do, but I kind of want to do something else. I'm kind of getting bored of the purple. I have like a lot of videos filmed lately too coming up, so I've got a lot of time to edit, and I think September and October are gonna be some good months for videos. I know over the summer I was really busy, so I didn't have a whole lot of time, and I'm sorry about that, but I know coming up I'm gonna have a lot of videos through the fall. Alright, and I'm getting closer and closer to the end here. And the reason I take my glasses off is because I want to get around my ear like saturated really well. My little sideburn piece, but yeah. So that's how I apply my lightener. So I've just got the lightener applied everywhere. I'm gonna go into my bathroom with a mirror and cross-check the back because it's hard to see in here. Well, I haven't had my glasses on for the second half of it, so I can't see anything right now. I was like struggling. So I'm gonna go cross-check the back, and I'm also gonna go ahead and set a timer for 50 minutes. Let me go do that first. So 50 minutes, and it is 9:42 a.m. right now, so I got the timer set. Let me go in here and cross-check, and I will do some check-ins with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, doing a quick check-in. It is it's been like 20 minutes I can't talk today. It's been 20 minutes since I applied. Here's what we got so far. Let me do a little swipe. So we're getting some lift. Keep that on for I think the full time, and I went in the bathroom and I cross-checked everything. I'll wait a few more minutes and then I'll resaturate. I've had a very pleasant experience so far, like applying the product. Sometimes when you apply lightener, it's like on the scalp, but it was so creamy. It has been like to work with. It was like nice and cooling on the scalp, and I have not felt any like tingling, or I mean like it's like minimum, very slight, no burning or anything. So, and I've got my lightener in the bathroom for reapplying, so I will check it again in a few minutes, and I might even run some through the ends to lighten this up a little bit for the next color. I mean obviously overlap a few pieces because I'm not perfect. I'll do another check-in in a bit. Alright guys, another check-in. I've got 12 minutes left on the timer. Got a lot more lift, I feel, this time. I know there's still a little gold bit, but I had a lot of regrowth this time. I'm gonna run into the bathroom and run it through my ends so that the next color we do will take better. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here it is after lightening. I blow dried it some, but pretty much just to see the color. I've gotten better lift out of other lighteners, but I feel like this does give pretty good lift. I can't be mad at it. Look at how light. I'm probably about a level 8, 9 or so. So that's pretty good. I'm not mad. Especially since I'm about to go dark. So this is not my finished hair. Stay tuned and you will see me going back dark purple. The actual lightener itself, I didn't feel any tingles. I've used lighteners in the past where I've had like chemical burn around my hairline. Didn't have that, which is really nice. That's like something I've only used like a few lighteners that didn't give me that, so I'm like, I think I'm just really sensitive or something. My hair feels really, really good. And the ends, even where I ran it through, I just wanted to get some of that color out so it'd be just a smidge lighter for my fresh color, and my ends feel good. They don't feel bad. I didn't leave it on for very long. My husband got home and he walked in and he was like, "What color are you doing again?" And I was like, "Purple." It just is very blue left over. Did good. I wish it had a little bit better lift. I'm still very, very yellow gold, but like I said, at least I'm not going lighter, even though I'm like really craving like doing silver right now. I'm doing dark. So thank you so much for watching, and keep a lookout for the next color video on the channel, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.